how to share notes on Instagram with close friends. At first, you will have to first assure that you have updated the latest version of Instagram on your device. So you have to confirm that. So after you confirm that, you will have to open your Instagram account on Instagram app. Okay, so after you open the Instagram app with your account, you will have to open the profile section that will appear on this bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on this profile section, and from here you will be able to add notes on Instagram. So it will be appear on the top left corner of the screen. So simply tap on this add note options, and from here I will type some random text here. Okay, so now from this, you will be able to share this Instagram notes to your friends. So on this option share, here you got options to share it with your followers that you follow back, or to make changes on that, you will have to click on that option. So simply you have to click on that. And here you got two options like followers you follow back or some close friends. So simply for that, you will have to choose for the close friend and simply back from here. And as you can see, I have now set the audience to close friends. So now from here I will have to go with the option share. Okay, so as you can see, I have successfully shared the Instagram notes with my close friends. So likewise, you can also share the notes on Instagram with your close friend. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.